Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA XR21 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, mark edit icon and click on add picture. Now select either camera, gallery, Google Photos or illustrations, whichever source you want to select your cover picture from. I will pick my gallery. Let's select this one. Personalize it however you like. You can zoom it in and out, tap on choose then, and click on save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.